see, key, eat, seat, team, free, liter, people, email, it, if, is, 6, miss, big, middle, busy, listen, integrity, two, shoe, blue, food, routine, music, new, true, full, book, foot, would, could, should, pull, woman, sugar, fullness, hot, not, from, what, God, gone, shopping, hobby, copy, honest, bar, car, card, park, star, laugh, tomato, after, father, heart, up, cup, bus, luck, come, front, color, mother, under, love, saw, bought, talk, walk, warm, your, daughter, water, autumn, core value, said, red, head, leg, bread, friend, again, letter, many, emptiness, map, hat, back, man, plan, have, camera, family, traffic, habit, bird, word, work, earth, first, learn, service, prefer, early, learn, again, master, lemon, number, alphabet, salad, address, pronunciation, intelligence, ear, real, here, beer, beard, nearly, dear, weir, clear, air, care, hair, fair, where, chair, aeroplane, where, stare, care, tour, cure, pour, spore, do, sure, tournament, ashore, tourist. Sure. How? Now. Loud. House. Sound. Round. Vowel. Mouth. Thousand. Power. Knowledge is power. No. Toe. Low. No. Show. Old. Boat. Home. Phone. Hope. Buy. Why. High. White. Like. Time. Dry. Night. Right. Fire. 8. Name. Day. Play. Say. Gray. Break. Great. Table. Change. Oil. Boy. Toy. Coin. Point. Voice. Choice. Joy. Enjoy. Joyful. Pen. Path. Stop. Happy. Stopping. People. 1. A piece of paper. 2. Push or pull. Peacefulness. Big. Be. Verb. Robber. Hobby. Football. 1. A big business. 2. What's your hobby? Beauty. 10. Top. Bit. 20. Water. Better. 1. 2T to 22222. 2. My hobby is taking photos. Tolerance. Day. Deep. Good. Decorum. Address. Ladder. 1. I am a doctor. 2. What's your daily routine? Desire. Cat. Keep. School. Kindness. Kitchen. Careful. 1. I am an accountant. 2. I go to work at 7 o'clock. Kind. Gull. Glass. Go. Exactly. Bigger. Garden. 1. I go to bed at midnight. 2. I do gardening once a week. Give. To give is to take. Feel. First. Laugh. Cafe. After. Autograph. 1. What's your phone number? 2. I have breakfast at 5 o'clock. Faith. Have faith in yourself, faith in the infinite. Very. Have. Leave. Travel. Every. Diving. 1. I live in Quang Province. 2. My brother is 7 years old. Value. I am a value person. Thanks. 3. Month. 30. Thursday. Thirsty. 1. I am 13 years old. 2. I like going to the theatre. Thinking. Your thinking influences your action. This. That. These. Together. Without. Breathe. 1. There are 3 people in my family. 2. They are my father, my mother, and me. Worthy. Sit. 6. Class. Supporter. Sister. Pronounce. 1. I study English at 6 p.m. 2. I like to listen to music every morning. Simplicity. Zoo. 0. Size. Easy. Zenith. Scissors. 1. My sons like playing games. 2. Roses are my favorite flowers. 0. Shop. Cash. Fresh. International. Ocean. Mission. 1. I go shopping with my mom. 2. She is a chef. Action. Television. Asia. Usually. Revision. Measure. Massage. A. Do you like sport? B. Yes, but only on television, usually. Vision. Hat. Here. Help. Who. Whose. Whole. 1. Hello, how are you doing? 2. I come home from work at 5 p.m. Happiness. Choose. Watch. Which. Future. Question. Kitchen. 1. Which questions did you choose in the exam? 2. I often chat with my friends. Choice. Job. Jam. Age. Jacket. Orange. July. 1. What's your job? 2. Who's that wearing a large orange jacket? Energy. Me. Mind. Comb. Autumn. Lemon. Summer. 1. Sometimes in summer. 2. My middle name is Mai. Mission. Nice. Sun. 1. No. Dinner. Sunny. 1. A sunny afternoon. 2. My family has dinner at 7 p.m. Knowledge. Long. Sing. Think. Evening. Finger. Hungry. 1. Thinking about things. 2. In my free time, I like going fishing. Song. Life is a song, sing it. Learn. Leave. Feel. Alone. English. People. 1. When shall we leave? 2. I'd love to listen to music. Light. Red. Right. Rap. Ready. Really. Sorry. A. What are you reading? B. I am reading a romantic story. Respect. Weak. Wit. What? Language. Where? 1. 1. Swimming in warm water. 2. My family always watches TV together at 8 p.m. Wisdom. Yes. You. Year. Yoga. Yesterday. Beautiful. A. What do you do in your free time? B. In my free time, I like doing yoga. Yin, yang.